Say hi, Ma.
Is that Eliana?
Eliana?
What you see?
Is that Eliana?
And it
But it
depends,
depends on
what
the
insurance you go through and what your deductibles are and
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Pupunta kami ngayon sa NEX. Meron lang kaming bibilhin or magtitingin-tingin lang din. And nandito pa rin yung mother-in-law ko. Siguro I think 15 siya alis. So, ngayon? November 10. So, may 5 days pa si Mama Karen. And tomorrow, babalik na ako ng work, guys. Si Travis is doing better. Medyo meron siyang parang cold ngayon. Yung ubo na lang niya, yung inaano niya. Kasi, nagkaroon siya ng parang lagnat nung nakaraan. But you're feeling better now, right? Babe?
yeah,
Yung ubo na lang niya. Your throat is
Yeah, it feels better.
a little sore.
It's mostly it's just in my chest now, like the congestion a little bit. But I think for the most part, I've coughed most of it up, so
Right.
feeling better. And Ellie seems like she feels a little better too.
Yes. Merong si Ellie nung nakaraan, merong sipon. Pero sabi ni Mama Karen, sometimes it's because of their teeth. Kasi 'di ba meron nga iba nagtatai, ganun. So si Ellie naman, sinipon siya nung mga nakaraan. Tapos ngayon okay na siya, guys. Awa ng Diyos. Ang hirap makita yung anak mo ganun, no? Na may sakit, parang gusto mo na lang talaga. Totoo talaga yung sabi nila, pag nanay ka na, mararamdaman mo talaga pag may sakit yung anak mo, gusto mo, yung sakit nila, parang sa'yo na lang mapunta. Kasi you don't wanna see them, you know. You don't wanna see them suffering with that problem. So, ayun, nandito si Ellie. Nilagyan ko na lang siya ng jumper, guys, kasi papalit-palit. Makulit kasi na to pag papalitan eh. Okay naman yung niya, diaper niya. What?
Rob, they put me number 1 for Virginia, for Little Creek.
Oh.
So, 50-50, maybe we get it, maybe not, I don't know.
So, we're probably gonna stay here.
Well, maybe. I mean, it's like 50-50.
Yeah, it depends. Kasi nasa kami na ang pag-choose ng order, guys.
More like 30 probably, 30%, because I don't know the other 15 people who put in.
Right.
So,
Grabe, nagkasya na yung jumper ko na to, oh. Remember when I was, like, pregnant with Ellie?
oh, hang on a second, Rob's calling.
Ginamit ko siya kay malamig ngayon, tapos nagdala na lang ako ng jacket, guys. Kahapon, pumunta kami sa Hi, Mama Karen! Say hi, Ma! Yeah. Mama Karen is leaving us by 15, Ma? 16? Saturday. Yeah. It was good having Mama Karen here because, it was hard by myself with Ellie. Tapos yung surgery ni Travis. Are you good now? Can we go now? Can we go now? Yeah, you say hi to them. She knows how to say hi now. Hi, guys. Can you say hi? Hi, guys. You wave your hand. Hi. 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 There you go. Hi. Okay, guys. We're going to NEX. We'll see you. Dito kami sa may NEX. Hi. Happy ang bata. Unto.
Is that Eliana?
Eliana?
What you see?
Is that Eliana? Oh my goodness. Daming clearance ngayon, guys. Take extra 50% off. My goodness. My goodness, Ellie. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Liana.
What? What you doing? Is
Ellie.
that Dada? Is that Mama? Dada?
Ellie. Bumili ako ng mga dress, pati bath and body. Guys, naghanap pa rin si Mama Karen. Ayun siya. Ng mga ng jacket kasi na. Gusto ko tong na to, guys. Oh. Super comfy. Ganap siya ng jacket kasi winter na sa Michigan. Dito si Ellie. Mihi yung daddy niya. Dami nilang pants dito, guys. Oh. O, diba may mga sale na pants din. Ellie. Hi. Hi. Tinanggal mo na naman ang headband mo, madam. Tinanggal mo na naman talaga. I know. Ganyan ginagawa niya sa pacifier niya. Hinakagat niya. Hey! Hinakagat niya. Tayo natin si daddy, pati si lola mo. Si Biro lang kayo pumunta dito eh. Oh, that's nice. Ito yung bibilin ko. Tapos ito yung ano kay Mama Karen. That's nice, Ma.
Well,
Yeah.
I just think it for, you know,
Yeah.
something casual like that.
Yeah.
At work. Maybe $14.99.
Mm-hmm. I think it's also 20% off.
Morning.
Ay,
I did you good morning.
Liana.
Wow.
Nguso.
Yeah.
Ali. Your mouth.
Look at what she's doing. Look what she's doing. She's trying to pick up her pacifier.
She's just chewing it. Look. Yun na yung gagawin sa pacifier niya.
Let me go check the thing real quick.
Guys, good morning. So, ayun, may mga nag-ask na kung may binayaran ba daw kami sa surgery ni Travis. Wala po kami binayaran. And kahit nung nanganak ako, even when I gave birth, right, we didn't pay anything. May makulit, oh. We didn't pay anything, guys. So, under siya ng insurance ng asawa ko. At TRICARE yung ano namin, yung insurance pag sa military, no? So, ayun, kapag ka meron kay asawang military, tapos, is that just for active duty? I think even with
Yeah, active
retired,
duty, retired reserves.
ayun, wala kayong babayaran na kapag ka may mga opera kayo. But I think the dental,
Yeah, we pay for, well, it's like 75%. They pay for, and then we pay for the other half.
yun, 75% yung cover ng
They cover up to
TRICARE.
75%.
Kasi nung nagpa-dental ako dito before, meron kaming binayaran. May copay kaming binayaran. Pero, ayun, mahal kasi yung dental din dito, guys. So, meron kami binayaran noon. Pero hindi siya sobrang laki. Depende rin sa gagawin sa inyo. Kunyari, kung operan kayo sa ngipin, ewan ko lang kung magkano yung copay nyo. Kasi mahal nga, di ba, yung pag magpapaayos ka ng ngipin dito, ganun. So, siguro mahal din yung babayaran yung additional na ano, yun, yung additional charge sa inyo, di ba? Bukod pa dun sa cover ng insurance nyo. Kasi hindi lahat cover ng insurance para sa dental. So, yun nga, sabi ng asawa ko, up to 75% daw kapag sa dental. So, buti na lang talaga, guys. Nasa military din si Travis. Mga panahon na to na, tawag nito, na may surgery siya, ganun. At sa military siya nagtatrabaho. Kasi kung hindi, malaki yung babayaran namin. Kasi, if you're not in the military, right, you gotta pay
Yeah.
for the surgery.
Well, and
But it depends on
what
the
insurance you go through, and you know what your deductibles are, and all that stuff. So,
Right.
no doubt, it's not cheap. So,
It's not really.
if you don't have health insurance, then it's gonna be outrageous.
Sobrang mahal.
If you do have health insurance, hopefully you have a good provider. Excuse me, that covers the majority of the bill.
Right.
But you still may have a deductible. Like some people's deductibles are like $5,000.
Right. But another question is, why some other people, they're active duty, but they still have copay or something?
Well, copays are. It depends on what type of TRICARE plan you're on,
Oh, okay.
and it depends like on where they are in the world too.
Oh, so
So,
not all active
Like
duty.
if you're on like TRICARE Select, you may have a copay out in town, but for the surgery you won't have to pay.
Okay, for the
But to be
surgery.
seen by a doctor, you may initially have to pay.
To be
But
seen
it's
by
like
the-
25.
okay.
It's like $25.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so ayun. Kasi meron nagsabi sa akin they still have copay or something. I thought, yeah, but it's not a lot. So, ayun. Kapag meron kayong, yun nga, asawa na military, yun, pwedeng, tawag nito, maganda yung nyo kasi wala kayong babayaran or kung mayroon man kayong bayaran or copay na tinatawag, hindi siya malaki. So, hindi mabigat sa bulsa.
What
No?
do you do when?
Pero, thank God, talaga, wala kaming mga binayaran sa surgery niya. Kahit nung hernia surgery niya, wala kaming binayaran. Kahit nung nanganak ako, wala kaming binayaran. And we didn't even get our bill because
No, sometimes they don't.
Yeah.
Typically they send it to you, but sometimes they don't.
hindi nila sinend sa amin. Kasi I have a friend, they send their bill and they know how much, how much
Everything
their bill was, yeah. So, sinisend lang nila yun to inform you na ganun yung na ganun yung bill nyo. Pero hindi nyo babayaran kasi na-cover na siya ng insurance nyo. Kaya wala na kayong babayaran. So, ayun. Kasi may mga nagtatanong po sa amin baka magkano daw yung surgery. Hindi po namin alam. Pero wala rin kasing bill na binigay sa amin. And we don't know kung magkano yung surgery, sa heart surgery. Alam namin na mahal. Pero di namin talaga alam yung exact na price. Siguro kung tatanungin namin or maybe if we ask, they will give it to us, right? Like the breakdown of how much.
I don't know.
Yeah, so we
Maybe.
don't know, guys, kung magkano.
I've never asked before.
We know for sure that it's really expensive kasi nga heart surgery siya, no? Pero, ayun, hindi ko masasabi sa inyo kung magkano.
It's
But,
probably
even-
between like
estimate,
probably 30 to 40.
30,000.
Probably 30 to 40,000.
And even when I give birth, I don't know how much it was.
That's probably about 15,000.
Like 15,000, ayun. Kasi normal delivery man ako. Like, normal delivery, I'm not a C-section,
Right. Yours was, but a lot of times they make their money on hospital stays, drugs that they give you.
Right.
Did you get the?
Like, did you get the epidural?
That's money in their
Yeah.
pocket. Any drug that you take is money in their pocket. So,
Yeah.
Did you stay
Any medication,
overnight?
yun.
Because every night, is a charge.
Yeah, any medication you take, ganun.
Any
Tapos,
lab tests that they run to charge.
depende sa stay and depende kung anong ginawa sa inyong pagpapanganak if you're normal delivery, C-section, or whatever. So, ayun guys. Ayun, sana nasagot namin ang inyong katanungan. At ang aking anak,
What
napakakulit.
you doing?
What are you doing?
Ellie, what are you doing?
Eliana. Dito yan siya sa amin natutulog ng umaga kasi nagigising siya ng mga madaling araw. Eliana. Ang kulit eh. So, ayun lang guys sa ating vlog. Thank you for watching. Dali. See you again next time. Bye-bye. Boop.